Let's be real here for a second. Biggest thing holding most people to create a YouTube channel is not the lack of ideas. It's everything else around it. Just the fear of being on camera itself, it's just a challenge. Even the time it takes to do a script, to do the records, to do the editing for a single video takes you an insane amount of time. But in this tool today, when I explain in this video, it's gonna help reduce time, efforts. Even if you don't want to be on camera, it's gonna help you even with that. Let's explore it together and see it in details what it can do for you. The first tool we have right now is the AI cut to auto clip. This will transfer your long video into viral clips. Maybe give you 10 clips or even more or less, depend on the length of your video. You can have different ways of uploading your content to transfer it. You can drop a link basically without need to upload it. You have the upload option, of course, and you have the Google Drive option. Once you have the link here, you can just skip the clips. Here you decide what you want to do with this clip and the aspect ratio and resize of these clips. The type of the video you can select, what type of video you have. You can select the aspect ratio, of course, the short videos would have 9:16 ratio. Here you can select, of course, you have the option to select the length. So I would like to add like 30 seconds, very short. You want to do with a subtitle or without sub. Here you can select the processing time frame. You would want the full video to be selected. You want to just part of that. And you hit the get the clips site, start generating for you the clips. Now we can see the results here. It got me about 4 clips for that one on 30 minutes. If you increase the length, of course, I give you more clips, and you can see videos rated here by different rates and give you different even title. We can select which one you like, and you click on the download the clip, or you can download all the clips. And this is a clip details. This is a viral score. I give you 8.2 from 10, and this is the text and subtitle of the video. You can directly publish on social media. You can export the subtitle SRT in case you have the video, you just need the subtitle, and you can even download it separately. In case if you do not want to edit a video, you just need a caption. You have this tool, caption generator. You just need to upload your video here, and here you can select, of course, you can select what type of caption you need here, and this is the variety of caption style. You can use it on these videos. Another tool which is great tool to have is AI videos, which you can create videos from your text, from the image. You can describe what you want or what you want to create. Aspect ratios, we have it landscape, 10 seconds to 15 seconds. Then you hit the generate video. And you can see, this is the results.
Huh. Come on, why won't you just line up? No, not your wheel. All right, one more time.
Because you have something similar to the AI video, which is AI image, which you can create an image based on the text you describe, and aspect ratio selected below. The output image numbers, how many image you want to be generated. Even you have similar to image, you can upload an image, and based on that you can do a modification on that image and create for you what you want to add, remove, or you want to do any enhancement or changes on that image. Another tool, which is AI script, is the templates ready. You can select any template from these to generate for you any script from here, or you can use a prompt, describe what the video topics, and provide even instructions what you want in that is script to be or the result to be. It'll be custom to it. You can paste a text here and type it, input method, or upload a file directly from Word or text. This is a sample of a script I wrote about father explaining to his son about the responsibilities comes with becoming a parent. Here the narrative or the script is giving on this. This is where exactly, this is in details, we give you, let's say, you can even amend to this and add scenes between these lines and do it the way you want it. You can here export it to a Word or text or even Excel. Maybe you want to be on camera, so you have this kind of tools that help you create videos, even using AI voice instead of your own voice on these videos. AI long video creation. Here you can explain what you want to create. You write exactly, you have about 10,000 letters, you can characters to explain what you want to create, and here the options, and you can use which font the audio you want to use on this video. You can use the time, the style, and the subtitle. So this tool totally will give you option to create a video fully by AI, just explaining exactly what do you need, and select the voice, select the style, select the caption, and this way you don't even have to use your voice or use your face. These plans are pricing for this AI tool. You can select from a basic to pro enterprise. Of course, I recommend using the pro one. It'll give you a lot of credits to monthly to use and generate videos. So if you decide to try and subscribe to this AI, please use the link below to support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question about this tool, let me know in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.